Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unplugging the ANC module. If you have an aftermarket subwoofer, it's a necessary evil to disconnect this because you're going to get some weird buzzing and sounds. So this is what the module looks like. It's already been unplugged. I'll show you how it works. Basically, the car uses this to counteract any road noise by using a few microphones in the car. If you didn't know what they were for, there's one of the microphones there. And there's another one in the rear, right back there in the center. So basically, yeah, this device is to eliminate any road noise or help sound deadening, because the sound deadening isn't that good on this car. So that helps, but when you add a subwoofer to it, it actually just makes a lot of buzzing and a lot of unpleasant noises you don't want, so you're gonna have to disconnect it. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first. You're going to want to make sure you empty out your glove box because you're going to have to drop it. And obviously if you have it full, everything's going to fall out of it, so clean that out. You're going to want to pull this panel off first. You could use a pry tool like this. You're going to come in from basically anywhere you can get in. Even you could use your hand to start it over here from underneath, and you can work your way up to get this panel out. And just slowly work your way up. Get the clips out. And that pops out like so. Next, you're going to need to go under here, and there's going to be two screws. I'm going to show you what those look like. So to get to those screws, you're going to have to pull this panel down right here. Just basically, you can get your hand right in there, pull that side down, pull this side down. I'm trying to do it all at one hand, and pull that side down. Then you can see there's one screw here, and there's the other screw right there. So if you're looking from the seat, back up a little bit, just one on each side there and there. You can actually just use a Phillips or a socket. I believe it's I think that's like 8mm. Not exactly sure, don't quote me on it. But you could use a socket or a Phillips. So I'm just going to pull these out, and then I'll show you what the next step is. So now that you got your two screws out, so they look like, you're on to the next phase. You're going to be pulling this piece out right here. This you could actually just use your hand. You really don't need a pry tool. Just grab it from the corner here, and that will get this piece out. Doing it all with one hand, holding a camera, so it's pretty easy to do. And you're left with that. Everything comes out real nice and easy. This car comes apart and goes together pretty easily, and goes back together really nice too. So it's not like you remove this stuff and you're gonna break anything to put it back together and remove it. So it's pretty cool. It's always a plus in my book not to do damage while trying to fix things or make things nicer. So next step, you're going to have to remove these three screws right here. 1, 2, and 3. So once those three are out, you're going to drop your glove box, and then you're going to release this little latch right here. Let me see if I can bring you into that. Lower this. This little thumb piece right here, you're just going to be pushing this backwards. See if I can get it? There you go. You can detach this little piece right here. As you can see, it's loose. I'm trying to get to focus for you. There you go. So that's loose, and this whole assembly is now ready to drop. So I'm going to drop it down. So now from this point, you're just going to slide everything forward by grabbing under here, like so, using your thumbs and just pulling out, and your whole glove box assembly is going to fall. There is a wire over here. I'll show you. You don't need to unplug it. You could just let this hang for now. It's not a big deal. Support it with your leg or whatever you can do. Like I said, there's a little wire here. This is for the trunk. And your ANC module is going to be right under here like so. This is the box right here. Right up there. See, and I've already unplugged mine because I've already done this, but a lot of people have asked me how do you do it, so I decided to make the video. So this is the module. I'm going to plug it back in just so you can see where it goes and how to get it out. So I plugged it back in just for reference. There it is right there. There's a little push tab, so you're going to grab your hand from under here and you can very easily reach. You can see my hand in the background. You can just push down on it and pull it out like so. And there's a push tab right here that you can just push down, pull out. And then I just stuffed it. You could just stuff it up here out of the way, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do to disable the ANC so you don't get all that annoying buzzing. So if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer. I hope this answers your questions on how it's done. I'm going to put all this back together. And that's pretty much it, guys. So remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all you guys. Thank you. Take care.